Hey y'all, it's time for Sunday dinner. And I'm making one of our favorite treats from California. We're gonna start with some crispy fries. Don't forget to season my damn food. Some cheese, some pastrami, some of that good spicy chili that we made, and of course some more cheese on top. And there you have it, some chili cheese pastrami fries. If you know, you know. She dancing already, y'all. She ain't even got no food in her mouth yet. She know what's up.
Wait.
You knew what's up. Cheesy. I see the cheese pudding. Oh, she dancing, y'all. She dancing. You know there's some good stuff right there.
Chili cheese fries.